9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Plus 5 seconds.
Lift-off normal.
India has achieved a massive feat today. ISRO's ambitious mission to the moon, Chandrayan-3, blasted off into space. Thousands gathered to witness the spectacular liftoff at Sriharikota. This is India's third mission to the moon. If successful, Chandrayan-3 could make history. India could become the world's first country to reach the moon's south pole, and the fourth to make a soft landing on the moon. Only the US, China and Russia have achieved this so far. The mission cost $75 million. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed the mission, saying it carries the hopes and dreams of the entire nation. The mission is expected to reach the moon in 42 days. It was launched using India's most powerful rocket, the LVM-3. Nicknamed Bahubali, it weighs a whopping 640 tons and boasts of a 100% success rate. It'll carry a lander and rover that make up the Chandrayan spacecraft. ISRO's mission aims to carry out a soft landing on the moon's surface and to conduct scientific experiments from the moon. It could help find life on other planets as well. This is a huge milestone for India in the global space race and another feather in ISRO's cap. Here's a look at how the journey began. India's space agency, ISRO, was set up in 1962. It was founded by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of the Indian space program. India's first rocket was launched a year later from Kerala. There has been no looking back since then. ISRO has launched dozens of space missions and hundreds of satellites. Just last month, India signed the Artemis Accords, joining a global effort to send humans to the moon by 2025. In 2020, India opened to private space launches. Since then, the number of space startups have more than doubled. Now coming to the Chandrayan missions. Chandrayan-3 was preceded by two previous missions to the moon, Chandrayan-1 and 2. Chandrayan-1 was India's first mission to the moon. It was launched in 2008 and made over 3,400 orbits around the moon. Its successor, Chandrayan-2, was launched in 2019. It was India's first attempt at making a soft landing, but it partially failed. ISRO says its third shoot to the moon has built upon lessons learned previously. It has upgraded its landers and conducted multiple lander tests. Chandrayan-3 could mark a turning point in India's race to space. And it's being powered by 1 billion hopes.